Welcome to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we'll show you exactly how to create PDF in WPS Office and mobile, step by step, so you can do it quickly and easily anytime you need. Now, let's get started. Step 1. First, pick up your phone and open the WPS Office app. Make sure you are using the latest version for the best performance, as updates often fix bugs and add new features that make the process smoother. Step 2. Once the app is open, look for the Create option at the bottom of the screen. This button allows you to start new files, and it's the gateway to creating different document types, so go ahead and tap on it. Step 3. From the menu that appears, you will see several options for creating files. Find the PDF option and tap on it to proceed. This option is designed specifically for making and editing PDFs directly from your mobile device. Step 4. Inside the PDF creation menu, you'll see different PDF tools. If you want to convert an existing document to PDF, choose the Document to PDF option. Then, select the file you want to convert from your phone's storage or from the WPS Office file list. This is perfect for turning Word documents, Excel sheets, or other files into a shareable PDF format. Step 5. Now for the important part. Make sure you select the basic mode for exporting. Avoid selecting the Remove WPS logo option, unless you have the premium version, as that's a paid feature. Finally, tap Export to PDF, and the file will be created instantly. From there, you can easily share it through email, messaging apps, or cloud storage. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.